Hi, I'm Paco, a cybersecurity engineer and Cisco expert. In this Sanditec course, you'll discover how to get the most out of your Starlink, step by step and without any complications. If you've just received your Starlink, the first thing you want is to get it connected fast. But watch out, there are steps that make a difference. Let's take a look. First, download the official Starlink application. You'll see every step and can check that everything works. Second, connect the power cable and make sure it's completely flush. It seems like a detail, but it's what maintains the water resistance. And third, remember that not all components have the same protection. The integrated router is the most sensitive part. That's why your case is key to protecting it. And if your Starlink aligns itself, that's not a bad thing. It means less power consumption and more portability. The app lets you scan the sky to detect obstacles, like a tree or a wall, which can be the difference for smooth, uninterrupted browsing. When you start aligning, follow the app as if it were a little video game. It guides you until you achieve the best possible alignment. Use a mount and install it at the highest point. A few meters can totally change the quality of the signal. One of Starlink's superpowers is that it doesn't depend on a fixed outlet. Let's see how you can take it anywhere with you. First, understand the basics. The Mini uses very little power, but needs at least 100 watts to start. Second, power banks over 40,000 milliamp hours are perfect. They give you between 4 and 6 hours without any issues. And third, if you want total freedom, solar kits are the solution. Panel and battery, and you'll have almost unlimited autonomy. The Starlink app isn't just for the installation. It's your personal diagnostic center, and mastering it will save you many problems. Go to support in the app to see if there are power outages, obstructions, or service issues in your area. The advanced speed test determines if the problem is with the Wi-Fi or the satellite connection. This distinction is pure gold. And a tip, restart everything once a week. And if you want top performance, connect the Ethernet cable. Your Starlink is tough, but it's not indestructible. Good care makes all the difference in its lifespan. It works in extreme temperatures, even melting snow automatically. Even so, your case prevents bumps, dust, and dirt. A critical detail is if you use a normal Ethernet cable. You lose the protection against water. Only the official one maintains the seal. And don't forget, updates are automatic, but restarting occasionally keeps everything running smoothly. I'm Paco, this is Sanditec, and remember that with good care, your connection will have no limits.